Click Add New. Select the RESTful API Service option. Add the base endpoint URL, then choose the authentication method. Add your API key. In the Value field, enter the actual API key. Select Header. Once you click Connect, the connection will be successfully established. Give your connection a name, then click Save. Navigate to the Collection section and click Add New. Start by selecting the same connection. Next, enter the API endpoint, choose Get as the method type, and click Next, and click on Add. Start by entering the parameter name. Select Query String, set the parameter type to User Input, and choose Text as the field type. This allows you to modify the value directly in the data visualizer and view dynamic results. Click on Test Collection to run the request. If everything is set up properly, you'll start seeing data from the connected API appear on your screen. If you need to adjust the data, add your script here. You'll now see all the columns from the response. Simply select or deselect as needed. This step allows you to adjust formatting or make edits to individual columns. Now, in the final step, provide the collection name, add a group name, and optionally, a subgroup. Click Save to complete. Access your data by clicking the three-dot menu and selecting Data Visualizer from the list. You can now view the data based on the parameter value you've set. This field allows you to modify the parameter value as needed. When you click Refresh Preview, the visualizer will fetch and display data based on the new value. To view the same data directly on your sheet, please note that you must have an active Google Sheets connection configured on your connection screen. Click on the Schedule icon. Enter the URL of the Google Sheet. Make sure to click Check Connection. Enter the exact name of the Sheet tab where the data should be written. Then, choose your preferred syncing method. In the Schedule tab, you can define the timing based on how frequently you want the data to update. Finally, click Save, and the data will start appearing in your sheet automatically, according to the schedule you've set.